Okay. Hi everybody, welcome to Riding Deep. Anyhow, so yeah, without further ado, let's get riding, shall we? Let's go. So the cool thing about it is that it maintains steering control even when the rear tires break loose.
Got something, like always.
All right, everybody, so that kind of wraps up our snow and mud ride.
I did that.
Hannah was the videographer and director of this epic film.
And now roll the credits.
It is, Hannah, it is the 22nd of December, 2022. That's a lot of 22s. So I want to thank Hannah for that. And this 1984 Yamaha 225DX for that amazing amount of fun. I'll tell you what, these woolly bug here, they're called Strykers, Carlisles. They are fantastic in the snow. I assume most of you already know that, but I'll tell you what, the coolest thing that came from this ride, it's very sloppy right now, very muddy, and obviously snowy. It handles really, really well. That front tire, man, is just absolutely fantastic in the snow.
Roll the credits.
Anyway, thank you for
credits.
watching. We'll talk to y'all later.
And now
Bye.
the credits.